Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Ira Asmara. I'm an English teacher at Alhamidiyah Islamic Boarding School in Depok. I'm also joining as a student of Teacher Professional Education Program 2023 in University of Islam Malang. Today I would like to share you my teaching video concerning for descriptive text using project-based learning. And the activity is taken on 30th of November 2023. Here is my identity card for PPG test, and please watching my video, check it out and enjoy. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm very well, thank you. Today, I'm happy I can see you again. Today we are going to continue our lesson. But before we are going to pray, who will lead praying today? Okay, please.
Before we start, let's pray together. Pray together. Finish.
Who is absent today?
There's one.
Really?
No, there's one.
Saka Negara. Why? And Kevin. Why? Why are they? Oh, they are sick. So we wish they get better soon. Amin. Right. Okay. Do you still remember what we have learned last week?
Yes.
About? Good. Last week we have learned about news tag. And today, before we start our lesson, I want to play some. Yeah, sure. I just want to see whether or not you can focus to my instruction. Yeah, something in different. Down, you have to say, be focused. Left. Up, you have to say. Good job. How you spend your holiday? Did you go somewhere?
Actually, I'm going to all my friends' house that I can. If I'm on the Depok, I will go to my friends in Depok like Ayah, or I will go to Sokal.
Oh.
Spoon, or maybe glass.
Terus para Amira. Okay, what did you do? Where are you going to spend your holiday? Did you go somewhere? No? What do you do?
Play in home or follow my book.
Oh, I see. You just stay at home and follow? Okay, what about you? Where did you again? Have you ever been to Bandung? Yes, for holiday? Okay, what do you think about Bandung?
Cool.
Very cool. Is it a good city?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like Bandung? Oh, you like it? Oh, what did you do in Bandung?
In Bandung, I
Can
eat.
you can eat? Yes, and so pay attention to the whiteboard. Okay, and then we explore the word. So today we are going to be happy because we want to explore the word. Okay, have you ever been to this? No. Where is it?
Yeah, Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. So it's very far from here, right? Okay, now I want you to read it. So you listen. Now, who want to read it by your own? Yes, please read aloud.
Although it is the capital of Moscow, the part of Mamuju is one of Muslims and civilized administration of Mamuju River. Since we are studying the history followed by the Muslims policy of Moscow,
And then practice your reading. Give applause. Who want to try again? Do you want to try again? Do you want to try? Please try it. Come on, read it. No worry. Do you want to use this? Autonomous town and still lies. Okay. Immediate.
all the way to the Mamuju fishing port just for find the birds, fish, bats, fish, others to the
Very nice. Who want to try again? Nice. Your voice is like a newscaster. you can practice and being the newscaster at sometime. Good. You can find many kinds of tourism destination in this website. Okay, now I will let you to understand about the social function. Yeah, when you see the descriptive text, yeah, we can find about the social function. And the first one is to identify, to acknowledge, to be proud of, to promote, and also to compliment. So, the social function of Mamuju. Yes, about good beach. What else? What we have learned from the Mamuju. Okay, if you see this, what we are going to inform to the reader. What is the social function here we can find? Can you show me? Oh, good. What else? After reading this text, everybody will know about Mamuju. Is about the generic structure. So, when we have the generic structure from the descriptive text, we are going to see the first one is about identification, and then the second one is characteristic, and the third is activity. Will you mention it again? What is the first? Identification. And then the second one? Characteristic. And the third? About activity. So now, can you show me here? Okay. Although, okay, until 2 cities. So this is the identification of Mamuju. Yeah, the identification.
Until I think shoreline.
Of the fishing boats, yeah. Mandar District Sandek shelling crab along its shoreline. So the situation is really nice, and they are in beach, right? But when we see the identification, we see like the place. Where is the Mamuju place? Yeah, where is it?
All the way to the Mamuju fishing port. That's
Or a great meals, and we also have a fishing port. So sometime when you need for barbecue, so you can go to Mamuju. Yeah, remember that Indonesia is a beautiful country. To analyze from the descriptive text is about the grammatical feature. So when you have word or phrase related to describe tourist spots, and then we find some adverbs like voice. Have you ever learned about passive voice?
Yes.
Remember about to be plus?
Verb 3.
Verb 3, good. What about present tense?
To be plus verb 1.
Verb 1, remember. Dewi, Ayu, Siti. Who like S? See, hit, it, and he. Yeah, remember. There are the grammatical here. Can you see any present here? Which one? Okay, what else? Highlighted. Good. What is it? Highlighted. What is it? It means, okay, that's passive voice because we find to be and good. What else?
Flanked by.
Okay, flanked by. That's also passive voice. So we present perfect. Okay, that's also the grammar. Good. What else? Okay, here about the social function. I will review it again. When we have the text about Mamuju, so we have this. Yes, please read aloud. Format.
Destination with unique features and essential seafood.
Very good. Nice. So we will have Palu and Makassar. So it also takes about promotional. So it advertises the part. The first one is identification. And then the second one, characteristic. And the last, about the grammatical features. Yeah. As you mentioned before, we can find many tenses here. If is, and then is, can find, what is it? What tenses is it?
Present.
Present?
Tense.
Present tense. But some word with S, yeah, like lies. And here, for example, has ground and can find is also still. It will the same. This is a present tense. And we have the red one, yeah. The red one is a passive voice because we find is and verb 3. Any questions so far about this? No. So if you don't have any question, we can come to our project. Okay. This is the review for you. I need someone to read it again. I will read and I will give find your work and you can do your work with Canva. I need you to this one laptop. And then you have the group tasks. The first is you the website from the Indonesian tourism. And then you have analysis, yeah, the social function, the general structure, and the grammar features are based on your own text. And then after that, you have the discussion, and then create the report, and after that, you have to present in front of this class. To give assessment for your teamwork. So whether or not you can collaborate and have a good completion for your task speed. And then the second one, I need you to show about the presentation quality, whether or not you can present your presentation here. Yeah, and then the third is intergroup assessment. So you have to give the best performing team, yeah, through the peer evaluation. So you have to give comment. You respond to other presentation. So you will have different.
Ancol.
Oh, Ancol, very near, right? Okay, this is a good location too. Malioboro in Jogja. Have you ever been there? Have you ever been? Okay, I have ever. What about you? Where are you going to go?
Raja Ampat.
Raja Ampat. I beg your pardon? Okay, no problem. As long as you can share with your friend.
To Kuta Beach
Kuta Beach, where is it?
in Bali.
In Bali. Have you ever been there?
No.
No. So this is a good news for you, so you can learn. Yeah. And what about you? Where are you going to go?
Batam.
Oh, Batam. Have you ever been there? No, not yet. So you're curious to know, right? For the group,
Historical exploration. So the audience will know about what can we do in Banda Neira. So that how can the audience know about what can we do about what is Banda Neira and a lot of things. In descriptive text too, we can know about what can we do in Banda Neira. So if someone wants to have their destination, we can read this one and we can know about in Banda Neira we can culinary exploration or beach time theater tours and the other one. So I think it's enough for me. There's question.
is there any question? Yes. For example, how you can go there? Do you know how can you go there?
We go here.
Oh, I see. So, what do you think? How can we go to Banda? Can we get there?
Airplane.
Of course, by
ship,
yes.
dolphin.
Is it possible for you to go with dolphin? Okay. You have to plan then. Okay. Is there anything you want to ask from this group? Do you still have a question for her?
What other things we can do in Banda Neira?
Okay. Say it again.
What other things that we can do in Banda Neira?
Okay. What other things that we can do in Bandar Naira?
Even if in my text there's just mentioned about this one, but I think that all of us ever seen Banda Neira in TikTok, right? In TikTok there can that I see, we can go swim and do snorkeling, or I ever see banana boat, or the
Ah,
other one, or
Ah,
jet ski, or
yes,
you
nice.
know diving, but sometimes in diving we can see dolphin that's just
You like to?
yes, there's a lot of
Oh, you like dolphin very much? Oh, I see.
And also, if we want to barbecue, I think they will favor us to
Provide a big budget.
big
What do you
budget.
think? Big budget. Why do you
Yeah.
think so?
Because in Banda Neira, it's impossible. It's impossible if they don't sell many things.
Oh, I see.
So if you want to go Banda Neira, you must to have big prices.
Oh, so you have
Ask
to
your
get
mother
enough
if you
money.
want to go here.
Oh, so you have to keep your
Yes.
money, save
My
some
mom
money.
said that if I want to go here, I must to use my own money because it's big price.
I
So I
see.
never been there because my mother never give me.
Oh, I see. So I wish we can pray. We can go there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it good presentation? Yes. Give applause for the. Thank you.
Over here we have the identification, where the text explains about Batam and it identifies like how Batam is. From Batam is an Indonesian island city near Singapore until local treats to international cuisine. And then on the next paragraph we have its characteristic. Characteristic is like to inform you about the cities, about Batam, its characteristic, and what makes Batam special. And then the last, we have the activities, which all the things that we can do in Batam, like sightseeing, yeah, all the things that we can do.
Nice presentation. So, do you have a question for her?
Or do I have to show this drawing to go?
Over this one. Batam offers a blend of a city life. Do you understand what is this?
No.
Batam offers a blend of city life. What is the reason? Can you find in the paragraph? This one.
Where modernity means natural beauty.
Yeah, very nice. A modernity meets the natural beauty. So the characteristic of Batam is Batam is so beautiful, but also it's very modern. Why Batam is very modern? It's a modern city. Why?
Is that because they are Singapore?
That's right. Yes, because Batam near with Singapore. It means that the situation will mix, right? So when you see the Singapore, yeah, Singapore is a very modern country, although it's very small, right? It's smaller than Jakarta, but the situation is so modern. And when Batam needs to be very near to Singapore rather than to Jakarta, right? So we can see that. Yeah, about the culture richness here, the cultural richness. Why it's so rich?
Because it's diverse.
Because it's diverse, so we can see many custom, and it also create a new culture, right? Do you want to go to Batam one day?
Yes.
Who want to go there?
Me.
Go to Batam, especially we are going with very competitive price, right? Is that? Please, what is it? Pay attention to the grammatical features in this area or in this text.
First, we have the subject verb agreement.
Okay, subject verb agreement. Which one?
For instance, Adam is a solid place, its energy is available for the subject's bottom, so its energy agreed with the respective verbs
Is and is. Okay, we point out here, right? Between there are two sentences. Yeah, there are two sentences. Batam is a bustling places, and the city energy is palpable. So here there are two sentences, and if you see here, remember about the structures in a sentence. Yeah, we have to contain subject and then predicate and object. So here is the subject is Batam. Also here is the subject is the city. Energy is one subject. And what is the predicate? What is the predicate of this sentence? Which one is the predicate? Yeah, it's only is. And here? Is. And what about the object? The object is in the first sentence a bustling face, and then in the second one palpable. So both of them is a subject verb agreement. Very nice. Please continue.
Second, we have noun phrases and adjectives. Such as a bustling place, the shopping malls, coastal areas, beautiful coastlines, and diverse dining experience, and where the local way of life shines through. Fifth, we have pronouns like it, should, or it is, and its possessive form of it are used as in it's a mix and examples. Yeah, these are some of the grammatical elements found in my text that contributes to the structure and coherence.
Very nice. The text is rich with grammatical features, right? So we don't have only find some present tense and also the passive voice and also the adjective or the pronouns, but here we can see the conjunction and also the gerund participle. So it's really rich. So I think it is nice. You find a good sample for the descriptive text in here. Any?
Oh, that's not. That's awesome.
Okay, give applause for here. Nice. So you can make it more analysis about the text, so it can reach your knowledge. Do you agree with me? Yes. So we come to the third group. Please come forward. Be confident with yourself.
Paradise. Okay, this is the foundation on the text. Identify the text, process information about the geographical location of Raja Ampat. The beauty of its underwater world, Ampat S and keep go consisting over 1,500 islands. Okay, this
The grammatical feature.
to describing the remarkable and magnificent beauty of Raja Ampat. And at the adverb is frequently, regularly,
Recently, primarily, ongoing, uniquely verb. Okay. Give applause for him. So, this group is tell you about the grammatical features and then about the structures, yeah, the generic structures, and also the identification. Do you have any question about Raja Ampat or about the presentation? Okay, good. Please. Yes.
Japan is in Papua, right? So it's if you want to go there, is there any especially price that you mentioned before? Is there information about the price? Because if you want to go there, we must prepare our money first. So if you want to go there, is there any travel or some travel that you mentioned that we can go there together? I mean, sometimes we hope we can do visit.
You want? Oh, Amira want to visit Raja Ampat. What do you think? How much? How much money? should she provide to go Raja Ampat?
So expensive.
Some expensive. Can you make it like an estimation, right? Estimation.
Why it's gonna be expensive? Like the airplane or something?
The airplane.
Oh, because of the airplane, because of the trip.
I think it's more near.
Ah.
So you think it's gonna be expensive or more cheap?
No, it's
Less.
less.
Okay, it will be less. Can you make an estimation about the price? Is it more than 2 million if you want to go there by on foot? On foot? No. How we can there?
By boat or
By boat. And then what else?
airplane.
An airplane, right?
It's more expensive.
Oh, it's more expensive. So he suggests you to use a boat from your mother island. Okay, anyone? Do you want to ask again? Do you want to go to Raja Ampat with dolphin again? So your topic is only about dolphin.
I like it.
Have you ever been there? Have you ever been to Raja Ampat? Not yet.
I ever been to Papua, Jayapura?
Okay, what do you think about the situation?
Papua is, I think Papua.
Very silent? Or a crowd city?
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's enough for me. Thank
Uh-huh.
you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please give applause for him. Mount Bromo. Yes, please open your presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What is it? What is it? What is it? Uh-huh.
It describes the tallest, like, geographical.
The geographical. So what do you think? Is it the character or identification? Which one is the character and which one is the identification? Who want to support this group or this group? Amira, do you have another kind of group? They say that starting from this, locating for some hour until here, yeah, this is the identification. And for these long sentences belong to the characteristic. And the last is about the activity. What do you think? Which one is the good, the right one? His group or her group?
A little bit because it's almost same like identification. So maybe I choose this one because it's same, little bit same with identification. But in the paragraph, the not among the tallest Indonesian mountain. I think it's not identification, but it's come to characteristic.
It comes to the characteristic. Okay. If you see the Rhinos Indonesia, the magazine will not disappoint to spectacular view, dramatic landscape. Yeah, this is all talking about the landscape. So it means it is talk about the geographical. So here, actually, yeah, from here is about the character. Yeah, the characteristic of Mount Bromo. And the identification is only this until this, right? Yeah. Located some 4 hours from Surabaya, the capital of the Mount Bromo is a part of the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. There, over here. Yeah. This is the identification. It's really short. And for the rest is the characteristic. And here is not the identification or the character. It's about the activity, especially when you hear the click of the camera visitor, snap the camera, hopping the picture.
Smoking.
Yes, 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 this is activity. Okay, can you revise your work then? Yes, do you understand now how to make it? Okay, give applause for him. Remember about the social function of a tourism destination is to identify, to be proud, to promote, and to complement. And then next, we have the generic structure is identification. What is else? Characteristic and activity. What about the last?
Grammatical features.
About grammatical features. And then we have some word that, okay, yes, we can also about passive voice and eyes from the descriptive text. The first one is we about social function, and then the second one about the structure, and the third about, okay. Do you still have any question about that again? No, you do you understand? Yes. Okay. Yeah, for the next meeting, remember, I want you to make another analyze about the destination. Yeah, you can choose any kinds of destination, but it is not in Indonesia. You can make a destination of the tourism outside of Indonesia. For example, when you want to go to Uzbekistan, when you want to go to
New Zealand.
New Zealand, to Bahamas, or you want to go to Arabic, and you? Or you want to go to Spain, and you? Oh, Brazil, you want to play football. Oh, I know that. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. And I want to ask you, are you happy today? Yes. Okay. Can I have your opinion about our lesson? What do you think? Yes? It's informative. What else? What do you think about our lesson today? Are you happy or you don't satisfied with the lesson?
Happy.
You are happy? Are you happy too? Yes. You are very silent. You are happy because you want to see the dolphin? Okay. Are you happy today? Very happy. If you compare with your another lesson, what do you think?
It's a little bit like Indonesian.
Oh,
We study about description.
okay. It seems that we didn't learn about description. We learned about the Indonesian. You love your country?
Yes.
Indonesian is really beautiful. And remember, you have the destination on your holiday. Do you promise to go there? Yes. Okay. If you're happy, please give applause for us. Okay. Thank you so much for your attention. It's time for us to end up our session. And before we end the meeting, please lead praying again.
Before we end the study today, let's pray together. Pray together. Finish reading to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention. Please study English